DIY inexpensive fly mosquito trap, simple steps for rapid pest control. This video demonstrates how to make a low-cost, effective trap for flies, mosquitoes, gnats, and fruit flies using a recycled plastic detergent bottle and common household ingredients. Cut the top third of the bottle off, remove the cap, and retain the two pieces to form a funnel arrangement. The attractant mixture is a narrow layer of cooking oil, about a finger's width, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix thoroughly and pour into the prepared bottle so the insect enters through the funnel and becomes trapped. The soap breaks surface tension and the mixture kills the insects. Place several traps around the home or near plants to reduce flying pests and protect fruit trees. The trap is inexpensive to make, uses readily available materials, and can be deployed quickly to address infestations without chemical sprays.